Let's see how to download your design as an MP4 file in Canva. First, we need to finish up our design and make sure everything looks how we want it to. When you're ready to download, head to the top right corner and click the Share button. A menu will appear with different options for sharing your work. We need to click on Download. After clicking that, we can see there's a drop-down list. By default, it may be set to PNG or JPG, but in this case, we'll want to select MP4. As you can see, it's already been pre-selected, but in any case, let's still select the MP4 video. After selecting the MP4 option, you just need to click Download and it'll pop up on your browser. Videos tend to take longer to process than pictures, so this might take a while. After it's done, you can then find the downloaded MP4 in your computer. And that's it. That's how to download your design as an MP4 file in Canva. See you soon!